Hello. So this is going to be on 102.4, or the building blocks of the human body. We are going to be focusing on cells, tissues, organs, and the body systems. Now, the study of the human body can be divided into two general categories. We have our anatomy, or the study of organs and systems of the body, and also physiology, the study of the functions, those organs, and the systems that they do perform. The study of the structures that can be seen with the naked eye is called gross anatomy. However, the study of the structures too small to be seen is going to be focusing on microscopic anatomy. We would see this more so through a microscope. Now, physiology is the study of the functions that the organs and the systems, what they actually perform. So we're going to be focusing on both of those aspects throughout all of these sections with anatomy. Now, when we go through anatomy and physiology, we want to make sure that we are aware of the building blocks of the human body. Now, this includes your cells, your tissues, your organs, and your body systems. Now, you probably all remember this type of diagram that may have been shown up in early on biology when you talked about the basics of cells, the basic units of living matter or life. Now, cells are going to be composed of protoplasm. This is a gel-like substance containing water, salts, and also nutrients obtained from food. They all vary in size, shape, color, and also function. Now, the parts of the cells. We have our main control center. This is going to be responsible for the cell's activities. This is called the nucleus. This is going to be right here. Then you have your cytoplasm. This is going to be your production center. It's going to be where the cell's activities mostly take place. And then you have your cell membrane, which is the outer surface protective layer. Now, in order for your cells to grow and divide, they need to be having adequate food, oxygen, water, temperature, and the ability to eliminate waste products. They go through that to grow and divide, which is called mitosis. You may have heard of that before. When the cells receive nutrients for growth and reproduction, they can go through metabolism. This is called metabolism, the chemical process in which the cells receive nutrients or food for cell growth and reproduction. Then you have anabolism and catabolism, which is going to be when they are building up or storing those nutrients for growth and reproduction. And then when they need to break down and release that energy, they are going through catabolism. Now, if you have groups of cells of the same type and kind, this is going to be considered tissue at this point. There are 5 primary types of tissues that we focus on. We have our epithelial, which is going to cover and protect the body surfaces and internal organs. We have the connective tissue. This holds your body together. The nerve tissue is going to be responsible for coordinating the body functions in addition to carrying messages to and from the brain and the spinal cord. Muscular tissue is one that contracts when stimulated to produce motion. And your liquid, this is going to carry food, waste, products, and hormones throughout the body. Understanding the human body right down to cell division will help the salon to understand how guests' skin, hair, and nails may react or respond to products, treatments, and also their services that they're receiving. Now, when you are talking about things that are composed of 2 or more different types of tissues, then we start to separate more into organs. This is going to be separate body structures that perform specific functions. So within the organs, we have these groups. We have the brain, which controls all of the body functions, as we know. We have the eyes, which control our vision. We have the heart, which circulates the blood throughout the body. The lungs, which supply our bodies with oxygen, or our blood with oxygen. The liver, that is going to remove the toxic byproducts of digestion. The stomach and intestines are going to digest food. Kidneys are going to eliminate water and waste products. And your skin, we all know, is the largest organ. This also forms the external protective layer for our bodies. A system is a group of body structures and or organs that together perform one or more vital functions for the body. So we focus on many of these areas throughout alpha theory work, okay? We're not going to go too far into it here. However, we have skeletal, muscular system, circulatory, nervous, digestive, excretory, respiratory, endocrine, reproductive, and integumentary. Your skeletal is going to provide framework for the body. Muscular moves the body. Circulatory circulates blood through the body. Nervous system sends and receives body messages. Digestive supplies food to the body. Excretory eliminates waste. Respiratory controls breathing. Endocrine controls the growth and general health and reproduction of the body. Reproductive allows living organisms to procreate. And integumentary will control the sebaceous, or our oil, and our sudoriferous, or our sweat glands. So, to get a better understanding, cells group together to make tissues. Tissues will group together to make up organs. Organs make up our body systems. Understanding the building blocks of the human body allows salon professionals to provide the best care to guests while delivering the salon services that help them look and feel their best. So this is it for building blocks of the human body system.